Hey all, today I'm going to show you how to replace your exterior light fixtures for your patio or your porch. How to do it safely and do it properly. Alright, before I get outside and install this, I'm going to go ahead and put the glass sides and the panes in the actual cover for this. It's a lot easier to do it when it's on the ground, obviously ahead of time. That way, once you have the light fixture up, you just pop this in place after the bulbs are in place and you're good to go. So first thing, you're just going to unscrew the two side screws. That's going to take the actual metal piece off that holds the glass panes. That piece to the side. So go ahead and bend the ones that you're going to use back first. So you can just push on, they have a little cushion. Bend them back first, and you can tell the other ones, it's got a pad on the side that goes down, so that way you know which one you're dealing with when you're pushing them back, because the other one goes to the side. Go ahead and set this piece in place. All right, and once it's in place, then you're gonna just bend those back down. Again, make sure you're using the ones with the pad. The other ones are for the sides. That'll have pads, but it's going to be the one that's facing the pad facing down. You just have to pinch it in space to where it doesn't move around. So now that piece is good to go. I'm going to put the sides in. I'm going to bend these out first. Go ahead and I'm going to bend all of them at the same time, so that way it's just easier when I'm ready to do this. Bend them all up. That way it'll drop in place. Take the glass pieces, slide them all the way down, drop them in place, and again, fold those back over. Just push the other one at the bottom as well, and these go in pretty quick. So when you're putting these in, try not to push them down too hard. The purpose is just to kind of snug them in place, not to, if you push too hard, this is glass you're dealing with, so could very well just break the glass. And on the final piece, you may have to adjust them a little bit. And you can see right now I'm having to move this side just to get this piece to sit in place. Now that they're all in place, I can tighten them up. This piece is ready now. All the glass is in place. You can hear no shaking, no sound or anything like that. So that's the way you want it, to where none of this glass shifts around when you put it up there. All right, we'll go ahead and install it now. Make sure to turn the breaker off. Make sure the light's in the off position. All right, so I've got my power shut off. I've got the switch shut off. I'm gonna go ahead and take the fixture down, and I'll check the wires one last time before I pull anything off. Yeah, take the bulb off before you can get to the mounting nut that's right up under here. Last check again for wiring. I still use one of these. It will detect any type of AC power going through the lines. So I'm just going to put it up here. Nothing at all. So that means all this is dead, which is what we want to be safe. Unscrew the ground. I'm going to pull the neutral down just so I can get access to those. Screw these. There you go. This fixture is done. Get the new one and put it up. Nice thing about these is these are all pre-cut. All the wires are pre-cut, so literally you don't have to strip them. You just pull that little plastic piece off and the wire's already stripped right there. So all I gotta do is pull these off and use the wire nut to attach them. Put the wire nut on. Link to the neutral. Alright, so those are in place. I'm going to go ahead and reattach the ground. I have to loosen the new ground screw. Original wire's pre-bent from the electrical. I just have to add the new one for the fixture. Normally I just wrap it around once at least, pull it tight, so that way it's got a good connection there. Now with all that in place, I'm going to go ahead and put these wires back up here. Out of the way. Line this with the screws going around the edges. There we go, new fixture installed.